Hello and welcome everyone. So we are back again with another informative video. Today we are going to discuss about earnings from YouTube views. So let's learn today actually. How many views on YouTube are required to make money? Once you get your channel monetized, every single view will make you around $0.004 to $0.016 per view. So you'll need about 6,000 to 25,000 views to make your first $100, and 60,000 to 250,000 views to make $1,000. This will depend on how many of those views are monetized, the type of video, your audience location, session time, and retention. But before you can start making money, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start getting monetized. After that, every single view you get that saw an ad, makes you some money. You can mix your regular content with YouTube Shorts to try to go viral, and possibly get there sooner. In the beginning, you'll be making less per view, but over time your RPM and CPM should increase. How much does YouTube pay? For every 1,000 video views, you get around 150 to 400 monetized views. Every monetized view from a developed country, in a good niche, makes you between $0.027 so that's around $4 to $16 per 1,000 views on average. Monetization changes a lot when adding volume to it, and watch time makes a lot of difference as well. So it's not just about the views, but also about session time. The longer your viewer watch the video, the more money you make. Check the YouTube Creator Academy to learn more from free courses on how to grow your channel. To get more views, keep in mind that most viewers just want someone to break down topics and present opinions in a conversational way. Bullet points: say exactly what they're getting at the beginning of the video, and simply talk about it in your own way. Try to find your own voice, and this will get you many subs and views. How much YouTube pay will depend on these factors. Are all your videos fully eligible for monetization? How many views they are getting? What is the video about? Which countries are your viewer from? How long is the watch time per video? How often do you upload? To start getting paid on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on all your videos. Once you hit that, you can apply for monetization, and only then do you get to make money from YouTube. Next to general approval for monetization, every new video you create needs to be eligible for monetization. Any controversial topics, such as politics, gambling, or sexual content may deter advertisers from your video. You may earn less, or the video won't be monetized at all. And if you're using copyrighted stuff from other videos, then your video has a chance of getting demonetized in the future. Views are more important than anything else. This one is pretty obvious: the more views you get, the more money you make. It isn't the only metric, but it's an important one. The topic for your video will greatly affect your revenue. If you're making a video about financial services, making money, cars, insurance, digital marketing, and similar, you will get paid more than if you made a video about gaming and pranking. This is because those categories will draw advertisers more, and they are willing to pay more per ad to show on your video. The income power of the country is another important factor. If you're making a video for the US audience, Norway, Germany, Canada, or any of the developed countries, you will make substantially more than if you made videos for India or Mexico. This is because their CPM is much higher. Then we have the watch time. Very important factor. The longer your watch time, the more money you make. You get money from ads in your videos, so the longer the watch time per video, the more chances of ads showing up, and you're making money. Session time is the key to the YouTube algorithm. Work on increasing it, and you'll do well. And finally, the consistency in uploading is a factor. To increase your views and to keep growing your channel, you need to upload at least one video per week. YouTube loves consistency, and this will help you a lot. Keep in mind, there are a lot more ways to monetize your YouTube channel than just ads, affiliate products, your own products and services, consulting, etc. How much do YouTubers make per view? Depends on the type of view. If it's simply a video view, then YouTubers make about $0.004 to $0.016 per view from ads, on average. If it's a monetized view, then it's between $0.027 per monetized view. This can vary greatly depending on your niche, the type of video, session duration and watch time, and the countries your audience comes from. If your audience typically comes from higher paid countries, then you'll fall somewhere between those numbers or higher. If it's a developing or undeveloped country, you may struggle to reach $1 or $2. How much money do you make per 1,000 views on YouTube? YouTubers typically make between $4 to $16 per 1,000 views, but this varies a lot. It will depend mostly on the viewer's location, your niche, type of video, and session time. So keep an eye on your analytics and all of these factors, so you can improve and grow your channel properly. How much money do you make on YouTube with 1,000 subscribers? With 1,000 subs, expect to earn anywhere between $20 and $100 a month, but this varies a lot. Some YouTubers with 1,000 subscribers can make $200 a month, some only $10. This is because the number of subs plays very little role in how much money you can make. It's not so much about the subs, it's about the views, watch time, and your viewer location. The more views you get, and the longer the watch time, the more money you make on YouTube. Subs are great, but it's not subs that make you money, it's how many videos they watch, and for how long per video. It's also about where are they from. A view from Mexico will get you a lot less CPM than a view from the USA, Canada, or Germany. Be regular and consistent with your videos. This is important for YouTube. Once you become regular, YouTube will recognize this and will start placing your videos on other people's home pages, which will get you many subs. Just work on making great thumbnails and boosting your watch time as much as possible. Everything else will fall into place. How many views on YouTube to make a living? If you're from the US, then you can probably make a living from a YouTube channel with 1 million views per month, and about 10 to 20k subscribers. YouTube is a grind, especially in the beginning. It's very difficult to get to 1,000 subs, but once you get there, it's much easier to get to 10k. So keep at it, and maybe try to mix it by doing some YouTube shorts to gain new subs and grow your channel faster. It's a marathon, a long-term game. Similar to blogging. Stay consistent and keep uploading at least once a week, and the YouTube algorithm will notice you. So just stick with it, do your thing, try to find your voice, and you'll eventually get to where you want to be. How many views on YouTube to make $1? As soon as your channel gets monetized, you will earn your first dollar. Technically, it takes on average 60 to 250 video views to make $1 on YouTube. The question you should be asking yourself is, how long until my channel can get monetized and earn money? Because once you get monetized, you'll already be making way more than $1 from AdSense. How many views on YouTube to make $100? Depending on your CPM and other factors, it will take about 6,000 to 25,000 video views to make $100 on YouTube. To keep earning $100 monthly, you will then need to reach this number every month, though your CPM should increase over time. Typically, it takes about 4 to 5 months to make $100 on YouTube. This is because it takes 2 to 3 months to get approved for monetization, and about 2 to 3 months to make your first $100 in total. You can try to speed this up by learning how to use YouTube Shorts and about the technical aspects of YouTube video upload and processing times. How many YouTube views does it take to make $500? You will need about 30,000 to 125,000 video views to make $500 on YouTube, on average. This is based on the fact that the average income for 1,000 views for developed countries and good niches is $4 to $16. How many views on YouTube to make $1,000? To make $1,000 on YouTube, you will need around 60,000 to 250,000 views from your YouTube videos. To earn more money on YouTube, you should focus on increasing watch time and retention, because those are the most important factors. Also, try to make sure that the majority of your viewers come from developed countries. How many YouTube views do I need to make $5,000 per month? You need around 300,000 to 1.25 million views on your YouTube channel to make $5,000 per month from ads only. This can vary greatly, but you can increase your income by adding affiliate marketing into the mix or offering merch or services. You could join affiliate networks such as CJ Conversant, Shrizale, Amazon Affiliates and add those links in the description on your videos, and promote them in your video. Merch and consulting will earn you additional income as well. How many views on YouTube to make $10,000? To make $10,000, we can just multiply the numbers from above, and we get to 600,000 to 2.5 million views. If you can get to these numbers, you are bound to make $10,000 from your YouTube channel. Keep in mind that the majority of your audience should be from developed countries to reach a higher RPM, CPM, and also that your watch time isn't too low. Keeping in mind these two things, and doing things that worked well on other videos can get you far on YouTube. How many views on YouTube to make 100K? You need to reach somewhere between 6 and 25 million views from your YouTube videos to earn $100,000. It's all about the math and improving over time. Keep in mind that this number can vary, and your CPM will increase as time goes. Not only because you'll be making better videos but also because advertisers will want to show their ads on your channel more than before. How many views on YouTube to make $1 million? If it takes 6 to 25 million views to reach $100,000, then it will take about 60 to 250 million views to make $1 million. It's all based on simple math, but it depends on many factors mentioned above. However, you shouldn't be focusing on the money but the quality of the content. Keep this in mind, focus on your viewer, and you can go far. How much money do you make on YouTube with 1 million subscribers? This will depend on the number of views you'll be getting and a lot of other factors, but from my research, it's anywhere from $40,000 to above $1 million per month. It varies because there are channels that get 10x more views monthly than the same channels with the same amount of subscribers, and their CPMs can be high as well. So the number of subscribers is not a good metric to look at when it comes to making money on YouTube. But there it is. That's all for today. If you found our video informative, please help us grow this channel by subscribing our channel. Also hit the bell icon button for the new videos notification.